it's Gina with WTI. I am not a morning person at all, and so if I can find something that helps me get up and get going a little bit easier in the morning, then I want to tell everybody about it. And that's one reason that I absolutely love this black Assam tea from 2 leaves and a bud. It has a moderate caffeine level, and I'm someone who is bothered by too much caffeine, and this doesn't give me any issues at all. I love that the taste of this tea is kind of malty, and it's definitely different from other Assams that I've had, and in just a really unique, bold flavor. I love that these come in a pyramid-shaped tea bag, and you can really just see how lovely the 2 leaves and a bud are inside the tea bag when it brews. You can tell that this is really good tea, it's very fresh, and it tastes amazing. I love that I can throw the entire thing into my food scrap bin when I'm done with it. I like to do 2 bags in my 14-ounce mug or just 1 bag in a smaller cup, and then I add a little bit of cream and a sweetener to it to really bring out its full flavor. This is really superb tea. I can't get enough of it, and that's my point of view.